What's up, lovelies? This is Ashley. I am coming with you with really I'm just doing a review in regards of a blizzard, the animal cracker blizzard. I've been wanting to do this for a minute. Let me show you guys what it looks like. Can you guys see it? I'll show you guys the animal crackers if there are anyone. Right now it is Sunday morning. I got this yesterday, but I'm like, let me do this review for everyone, because I know a couple people been wanting to know what the animal cracker blizzard is, or what it tastes like. And then also with, I believe it's like what is it called, the cone, the Sunday cone ones. Put in the comments what the other one is. And so one of my favorites, though, my all-time favorite, is the cotton candy blizzard, or Heath blizzard with chocolate ice cream, not the vanilla. So try those two out too if you guys haven't, because they're really good. And then I got my large water from Dunkin' Donuts that I just got. And again, happy Sunday. And let's go to this blizzard. It's really good. I mean, it's not really good. Let me see. I do taste the vanilla, and there are little chunks. Let me try and find an animal cracker in regards to this. It's like, whenever I eat one or eat a bite, I do get a bite of a cracker. But I'm trying to find you guys one. Okay, I think I found one. I was about to spit it out right now. And that would not be very ladylike. Let's see here. Oh, you guys. They have it hidden. Okay. You can't really see it though. You see it? This is like, it's little bite sizes, so it's not full crackers, of course, but I think it's with vanilla. Well, I know it is with vanilla. So really, it's just really vanilla ice cream with crunches of animal cracker. I thought it was gonna be more like of a cake-like ice cream, but it's not. It's not. But overall, I'll give this I'll give it like a 6. It's not like, oh my god, it's gotta get it. No. If you want it, get it. But no. But I found, I don't know how I knew about this. I think I saw it on Twitter. And then I looked at Dairy Queen's website, And then I saw like all the new flavors. There's a lot. They call it like the summer blizzard. The summer blizzard combos. So really this is my breakfast. But that's alright. This is the breakfast of champs. Cheers to us all, especially dealing with this whole pandemic. I just thought I saw Karen. Well, before I had put on the video, as Karen was walking, like she was like pretending like she was like walking for exercise or whatever, but then she turned right back around and I'm like, hi. Like, girl, ain't nobody want your funky self. But and then also, which I'm surprised about though, I'm going back to the blizzard, but it still has like that crunch. I'm surprised it's not soggy. But it's a good ice cream to cool yourself down, because I know right now it's 91 degrees, but whew, it was hot last night. It was hot. Sorry, I'm trying to do a mukbang, but I hate when people like open up their mouth while they eat. I think that's why that's why I choose ice cream, because it goes down your throat. It melts in your mouth. I don't want to be like chomping and all like while y'all are watching or listening to my video. Yeah, I don't even like listening to that, because my dad used to do that, especially like when I remember when I would used to like sleep on the couch when I was younger. And I remember he would go, it was like before he would go to golf, he would have breakfast. And while I'm sleeping, here he is eating. I'm like, oh, like really? So, well, I got a couple of videos coming today, so you guys be on the lookout. Another clothing haul. I'm gonna do that every week, because I like showing a different style of clothing. What's in. I think my favorite decade for clothing, probably now. What the hell? Just saw some hair come down was outside. What was I gonna say? Yeah, I would say now, because I feel like all the fashion of every decade is in this era. With you can wear skinny jeans, and mom jeans are coming back a little bit, and like even like hair scarves. I love bodycon dresses. But what I really like is the dresses like in the 60s, 50s, because it was just classy and modern. So those are my go-to. And what else I was gonna say to y'all? Oh, so hot. Thank you guys for making sure I never ever, I'm gonna knock on wood, I never had to deal with an AC problem like for my cars. This is my second car. My other car got into a wreck and it got totaled. So luckily I do not have to pay this car off. Thank the Lord. So I'm just saving right now. And once this pandemic, I guess, gets a little better, I'm gonna start traveling. Because I need to see the world. And not be in Columbus, Ohio all my life. That's not it. So much to see out there. And I invited you guys to do the same too. And we could all do like a little girls trip, or even if there's some boys, we can all get together and go to a whole different country. Well, hold on. I can't just be going to travel with anyone. I gotta get to know you first. I gotta get to know you a little bit. People right here are crazy. But yeah. So that's one of my goals, is to travel every country. That's what I really want to do. I want to travel to South America. I really want to travel to Africa. I want to travel to Africa. I really want to South Africa and to North Africa. I really don't know about West Africa that much. And I'm kind of iffy about East Africa because of their laws, and then also because of how they treat women, especially in East Africa. That's a no-go. Like, if I wore something like this, like even with my shoulders out like this, I would get not only hit on, but probably really like sexually harassed. Not even. And I'm American. Yeah. So I don't know about that. But then also I wanna go to Italy just for the fashion. I just wanna see like the inspiration of how they design different like clothing items. I'm kind of iffy on China right now. Maybe the Philippines. Ireland and Scotland. I do. I just want to see it just to see it. What else? India. Yeah. But I remember my dad told me he had went to India for his job, and he said it was so humid out there. But I'm like, truthfully, every place you go is going to be humid. Probably the only country that probably won't be that humid is England, because it's always raining there. So but we are going to travel, and you guys are going to come with me on that journey. I can't even eat this all. Look at my growth. And I'm not gonna eat it all. So I don't know. So okay, before I end this video, really I just been chatting. Dairy Queen, it did not just cut me off. I was going to say before my camera cut me off is the blizzard. The blizzard's okay. It has a little aftertaste once you like really start to eat it. Yeah. But of course this is what it this is what it looks like, you guys. Come on. Okay. So that's what it looks like, and I'm about to clean up my mess. But yeah, what I give it again is a 6 out of 10. Would I get it again? No. I'm gonna stick to my cotton candy blizzard. But I ain't gonna lie, I kind of wish that Dairy Queen had like a smaller portion. You know how like Wendy's, I think, has like their little kitty Frosty? I would kind of want it small like that, just so I can have like a little sample, you know, because this is a waste. Only had half of it. But that is all. You guys have a good Sunday. You guys have a great week, and work on your goals no matter what. And I will talk to you guys soon more. Why did I say soon more? But I'll talk to y'all later. Bye. Those trumpets blow again, all aglow again, taking a chance on